What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play your NBA key games faster in MyCareer. Basically how to skip or simulate parts of the game so you can finish them quicker and still earn your VC. So here's what you need to do. Once the game starts, make sure you get 2 fouls in the first quarter. You can do this pretty easily by reaching in or making contact on defense. After those 2 fouls, you'll get benched. Once you are benched, you can simulate to the end of the first quarter. Then when the second quarter starts, do the exact same thing again. Get 2 quick fouls, you will get benched again, and you can simulate the rest of the second quarter just like before. Now when the last quarter begins, this is when you actually wanna play. Go ahead and score some points, make a few plays, and make sure you end with a good grade. That's what's gonna help you still earn a solid amount of VC even though you skipped most of the game. And that's it. Super simple and super fast. You'll get through key games way quicker without losing your VC or messing up your progression. If this video helps you out, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.